Maria Teresa, the Italian high-yield market blossomed since late 2012 because of the new law allowing also non-listed Italian companies coming to the market with bonds, and this helped a lot to increase the number of small and medium Italian corporates coming to the bond market. What is the outlook for 2013?
Well, as you say, of course the decree helped a lot. There were like 5 or 6 corporates in Italy that get access to the market in the high yield bond. There are many others that are looking to go out. One of the issue is, of course, the size of the transaction, because in order to go out in the public market, you need to have a minimum size of 150 million euro. One of the smaller transactions in Italy was 180 million for a company with an EBITDA of 40 million, so pretty low for compared to the previous companies accessing the market in Italy. Of course, right now there is a very good moment. There is a lot of liquidity in the market. The rates are pretty low. So I would expect many others to join and to go out. Probably the issue linked to the size of the public bond that I mentioned, it's also linked to the size of the companies themselves. One of the issues that we've discussed this morning is the fact that in Italy there are a lot of companies, but with very small sizes, in most of the cases with too much leverage. So in that case, they are not really prepared to go out into the market. And it's true, as some of the panelists commented before, that the companies that got out are probably the best that we got here in Italy, with either a brand recognition like Indesit, or in our cases a private equity behind. So the fact that a private equity spend a lot of months on due diligence, it's of course good for the investor themselves. Plus you got the rating, so you have a scenario that is not for everyone, I would say. So the real issue, at least for Italy, remains the size of the companies and the fact that there is not yet a market for private placement. So for transaction of let's say 40 million, 50 million, there is a lot of interest, but very few investors right now are looking to these kind of deals. At least here in Italy. It's even worse for transaction with smaller sizes, because of course it's probably impossible to bear the cost of the overall transaction in terms of legal costs, banks, due diligence for transaction of 5–10 million euro. So we need to have a critical size, at least of 50 million, I would say, for this new market to be launched.